This Instagram page has over 250K followers with just 280 posts, and countless pages have grown hundreds of thousands of followers in less than 60 days. And these are extremely simple to make. After watching these short videos, even my cat got all pumped up and started acting like a lion. So, they achieved this by sharing dark-themed motivational videos, transforming a regular Instagram Reel page into a successful business, and even starting their own accessory brand.
Here comes the money!
Here we go!
Now let me show you the easiest and fastest way to make these types of videos for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. We'll go through each step of creating these videos, starting from making the script, finding the B-roll footage, and editing the video to make it look great. But let's step back for a moment. All these videos actually have something similar. The first common thing is that they use a dark background, which gives them a cool and mysterious look. On top of this background, there's an AI-generated voice talking, which adds an interesting twist. These videos also use captions. These words help keep you interested and make sure you catch every single thing being said. I'll also share an exciting method to get the voice they have that sounds like this.
Keep watching. Let's get straight into the tutorial.
Alright, let's get started with ChatGPT to create some awesome motivational quotes for our videos. I told ChatGPT to keep it simple and easy to understand. No complicated philosopher vibes here. I had to play around a lot with different prompts and eventually came up with a formula that works extremely well to avoid ChatGPT sounding like an old Greek philosopher. I instructed it to make the quotes easy to understand and write them in simple English. This way, ChatGPT will give you 20 relatively short quotes you could use. Alright, let's move on to the voiceover. For this, we'll be using 11 Labs. I've included the links to all the tools I used in the video description. So if you want to try out this method, use those links to get started. To generate the voiceover, head to the voice library and choose any voice you like. Although these types of videos often feature deep voices, you can select the one that suits your preference. Add the quotes you created with ChatGPT in the provided box, hit generate, and use that audio. However, if you want the exact audio used in those videos or any other video, you can opt for instant voice cloning, available only in the paid subscription. If you're aiming for the same voiceover, consider the affordable paid subscription. The cloning process is simple. To clone, you'll need audio that's 1 minute or longer, separate from any background music. Download the Instagram Reel using any Reel video downloader. After downloading, import the video into CapCut, ensuring the total duration is at least 1 minute. Select all the clips, right-click, and choose Extract Audio to separate the audio from the video. Then, select all the audio, right-click again, and choose Create Compound Clip to merge the separate audio clips into one. Finally, export the audio by selecting Export Audio. Next, we need to separate the vocals from the music. For this, we'll be using an AI tool called vocalremover.org. Click on Browse My Files. Choose the audio you exported from CapCut and let this tool do its magic. It separates the vocals and music. Once done, click on Save and select Vocal. Now for the final step in cloning the voice, head back to 11 Labs. Choose Instant Voice Cloning, give it a name, and click on Upload. Upload the vocal file we downloaded earlier, agree to the terms and conditions, and hit Add Voice. The voice is now cloned, and you can use it. To generate, click on Use, and then paste the quote into the box. Voila! You now have the voiceover ready to roll. It's that easy. For B-roll or footage, you can download stock footage from pexels.com. You can use any video you like. However, a better option is to search for wildlife photography clips on Instagram and then download them. But make sure to give proper credit to the owner. You can download these using an Instagram Reel downloader. Feel free to download as many as you want. So, we now have our voiceover and B-roll footage ready. The next step is to open CapCut. CapCut is an awesome free editing tool with a lot of great features. I personally really like it and highly recommend it for simple video editing. So export the voiceover along with all the downloaded clips. First, import the voiceover and then add all the clips. Cut them short and adjust them according to the voiceover. I've already done this and it looks like this. In the videos, as you might have noticed in the examples I showed you, All these motivational videos have a bit of a dark, mysterious feel. To achieve this, you can apply a dark filter. But a better way is to select all the clips, click on Adjustments, scroll down, and decrease the saturation to -50. This removes all the color. Here's the other adjustment I made. You can tweak this based on your preferences and the clips you have. Just play around with it. Next, I added an animation at the beginning of the video, and then we'll add some transitions. Choose Black Fade, drag and drop it between the clips, and click on Apply to All. This way, transitions are added to all the clips. Now, an important thing we need is music. For the music, you've got a couple of options. On Instagram, everyone seems to use copyrighted music without problems. I think it's because most theme pages earn money through shoutouts or sponsors, not from ads on their reels. Within YouTube, you can add copyrighted music to your video using the YouTube Shorts audio library without worrying about copyright strikes. However, the safest way is always to use royalty-free music. I'd recommend searching on Google for royalty-free music. Keep in mind that some websites may require a subscription to use the music, but there are also plenty where you can download songs for free. Alright, firstly, drag the music file to the bottom of the screen. For these motivational videos, the music plays an important role. Initially, you need to identify the drop or climax in the music. Play the song to determine this moment. Let me give you an example. As you can hear, the drop is right about here. Now, in the video, you can see the sound waves of the speech. Your goal is to place the ending of the sound wave from the speech just before the drop of the music. This ensures that the drop of the music coincides with the end of the speech. Delete the remaining part of the music and drag the start of the music to match the beginning of the video. Trim the music to the end of the video, and there you have it. This part is now complete. Now, for the subtitles, you want to select Text in the top left corner. Then, go to Auto Captions and click on Create. CapCut will now transcribe the video and add subtitles based on the speech. First, click on the caption and change the font to your liking. I'm choosing this font. Also, we want the caption to appear in a single line. So go to Captions and break down the sentence by pressing Enter. This looks clean and good. Place the captions in the center and turn on Apply to All if it's turned off. I'll increase the font to 9. Then, to make the caption stand out, coming off the screen, and be more readable, select this style and turn on the Glow option and Shadow option. And we are done. Now let's take a look at the result.
Let your dreams be bigger than your fears and your actions louder than your words. Take bold steps and watch your aspirations turn into reality.
Great! The subtitles are all fitting nicely, and the video has a dark and mysterious feel. The speech wraps up just before the music drops. When you're finished, hit Export in the top right corner, give it a name, and hit Export again. And you're done. This is by far the easiest and fastest way to create these videos. I've included all the ChatGPT prompts and links to the tools I used in the video description. It would really help me if you gave this video a like and a comment. This way, I can create more of these videos for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time.